Hello, this is my room in Surabaya. There's some kind of mechanical noise, which may be the elevator because I'm really close to the elevator. But here is the room. So it's a private room with a double bed, as you can see. Oh God, lots of noises. Big TV, a mirror, hello. Then we have a closet, some slippers, a water kettle, water bottles. Look at that, free tea. See, place to put your luggage, TV stuff. I haven't turned the AC on yet, so I'm hoping the AC will drown out some of that noise. Here's the bathroom. Okay, we've got a separate shower stall. It still smells like sewer, despite that, because of that thing over there, I guess. Here's the toilet. A little pack of amenities. Oh, it's really nice, actually. Wow, it smells in here. Okay, and then some towels. I don't know why so many places just smell like sewer. It's not even just here in Indonesia. It's like a lot of the places I stayed in France also smelled like sewer in the bathrooms. I don't know. Okay, yeah, so I'm here for 2 nights. It's dark out, so you can't see anything out the window. Yeah. Okay. Yep.